Good morning, everybody. Well, this is it. Last go. See what we can do with these here trout fishes. But it's been an awesome trip. Had a lot of fun. But anyway, let's go down here and see if we can't catch some of these darn fish. Like I said, the water's real low. Water's hot up here. I think that's what's got them messed up, but we still ain't done bad. Went out there and caught a few. Had enough to eat, got enough to bring home, so it ain't, all in all, it ain't too bad. But we're gonna go out here and see what we can do with them. We got the rain coming in, it's supposed to be here in just a little bit. So anyway, we're gonna try to beat it. But this is the video, y'all. I can't say enough how much I appreciate y'all's support. We are over 100 subscribers now, which is awesome. I really appreciate it. This video right here is the one that I'm gonna need y'all to comment and like, and you have to be subscribed to my channel, of course. And I'm going to do a drawing. I'm gonna let it run for probably about 2 weeks to make sure everybody gets to see it and can get a comment in there, and make sure they're subscribed and hit that like button on this video. And I'll do a drawing in 2 weeks for that ACC crappie stick. So again, I cannot stress enough how much I appreciate it, and it really means a lot to the ones that subscribed, that's been watching my channel and followed me out here. But anyway, this is gonna be the video. So make sure you're subscribed, make sure you comment on this video, and make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And that way it'll get you entered in to the drawing for the ACC crappie stick. Well, all right, y'all. My little girl, she's sleeping in, but that's all right. She's done good. I'm very proud of her. She done went out there, she done caught her 2 trout. She's never trout fished before, and got to catch her two trout, so she's done awesome. But anyway, let's go out here and let's see if we can't catch us some more of these here trout fishes before it gets raining too bad. But I hope everybody has a blessed day, and I'll see y'all on the water. Oh, he come off. Oh no. He come off, y'all. Imagine that. Imagine that. He come off. First bite this morning. And he come off. First bite this morning, and he comes off. Well, there's number one, y'all, but him looking a little rough. Great day, look at that dude. Jacked up. Let old guys go. Dang. That old dude jacked up right there now. If we can keep him on, we can keep him on. We got him. We got that one. We got that one. Old stalker. About time. Oh Lord. He wasn't coming off. Dang. Took a minute, but we got him. There's another one, y'all. If we can get him to the bank, if we can get him in, if we can get him in, y'all. There we go. Number two. Number two. Yes, sir. That's what we're talking about. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Number two. All right. There we go, y'all. Number two. We working on. We working on. Here's another one, y'all. Here's number three. If we can get him to the bank. If we can get him to the bank. There he is. Number three, y'all. Man, he swallowed that joker. There you go. Whew. He wasn't coming off. He wasn't coming off. There you go. You were. That old boy wasn't coming off at all. Here we go, y'all. We getting with them. We getting with them. See if we can get another one out of there.
Here's number 4 if we can get him to the bank, y'all. If we can get him to the bank. There we go. There's number 4. Y'all, we should have had a limit today. Many I done lost. We should have had a limit. But we working on them. We working on them. Man, them daggum, I don't see how you lose fish with these things, because these little old bitty hooks, they are something else. There's number 4. And buddy, he was in that fastest stuff right there. I mean, in that stuff. Golly. Dang, I just had another one, y'all. I just had another one. Oh, missed him again. Oh, missed him again. Dang. How in the world I keep missing him? Nope, he ain't gonna mess with it no more. Dang. There's another one in there. Oh, missed him again. How in the world? I don't know how I keep missing him. Dadgummit. That's how you miss them with these spinners here, man, 'cause they got hooks all over them, but we can get him in, y'all. Here we go. We can get him in. There we go. Well, we barely had that one, y'all. I have lost so many fish today. It's unreal. But that's all right. We're getting there. Maybe. It's amazing how they can catch that thing in that fast water like that. But they'll sure catch it. They will sure catch it. There we go, y'all. We can get him in. We can get him in. There we go. There it is. I mean, right there in that fast stuff, dude. That is crazy to me. There we go, y'all. I think that's number 9. I think that's number 9. Yes, sir. butterfly. Or a guy up here makes them up here in North Georgia, and they work real good. They'll outfish the regular rooster tail all day long.
I was about to say, man, I thought it was a rooster tail, but that looks good.
Yes, sir. It's got the fly on the back of it. And they work real good up here.
Oh man, that's beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
But I'd much rather be doing what you're doing with the flies.
But hey man, but you're catching, that's what counts.
Yes, sir. I just love that fly fishing.
Yeah.
But if you brought you one of these, you got you something to throw one of these on?
No, I need.
You don't?
I got
okay.
I've got stuff for bass fishing, but not that.
Okay.
I need to get me a little ultralight.
Yes, sir. But these are in most. They got them in most of these fly shops and all around here. Like I said, the guy that makes them, or the people that make them, live up here. So.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah, it works real good.
I'll look for something like that.
Yeah.
No, my little guy that I caught is, like you said, is right up there in that fast water.
Yes, sir.
And so.
Yeah, I've been skipping all this all morning. By the time I get to that down there and thing, I go to catching them. So.
Well, it's one of those days I kept seeing stuff, and then I realized, oh, it's the acorns.
Falling. Yes. Now there is a hole down there. Yesterday afternoon they were rising in it before I broke my fly rod. So I got some rises down there in that hole, but they are some down there rising. But
yeah.
God, what a fish! Dang, what a fish! Missed him, y'all. Daggone, that was a good one. He come up and hammered it. There he is, y'all. Here's another one. There's B's another one. Can't keep them though. We done got our limit, so we just fishing for the fun of it now. We just fishing for the fun of it. Fishing for the fun of it. That old fella gets to go back. Get on back out there, Bubba. Get on back down now. Lord, Lord, Lord. Those storms moving in, y'all. Those storms moving in. It's gonna get rough. Got these fish fired up though. Here we go, y'all. I don't know how many that makes. He come out of there and he absolutely hammered that sucker. Oh, come on, hook, let go of it. There we go. Another little old brown. Here we go, y'all. I have no idea what number we're on. There he is, y'all. There he is. He come back and got it. He come back and got it. Heck, I don't know how many that is, y'all. I have no idea. I think we at like the 15 mark or something. I got some of them on camera and some of them I don't. That old boy come back and got it. But we got our limit, so we got to let them go. They still fun to catch though. They still fun to catch. Oh, missed him again, y'all. Dadgum. That's it though. Ain't gonna get it again. Got that one though. We got that one, y'all. There he is. There he is. Come here. Yes, sir. Old brown. Got this one, y'all. There we go. There we go. Another one. I have no idea how many we have caught today. We have slammed these jokers today. Man. Another old brown. Another old brownie. Here's another one, y'all. There's a nerd. Old stalker. Old stalker brown. Y'all can see right there his fins gone. The old stalker. Yes, sir. There you go, buddy. Old stalker. There's a big one here, y'all. It's a big one right here. Man, that's a big old brown. That's a good brown trout right there. Look at that big dude. Man, yeah. Nothing wrong with him. Ease up, fella. Let me put you back. Man, yeah, that's a good one there. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. There's another one, y'all. Another old brown head. We have straight annihilated these suckers today. Dadgum. This is crazy. Another nice one. Get on back out there, Bubba. Yes, I wound up with my limit. Yeah, sure did.
You look good out there. We were sitting in a restaurant there. We were looking for you.
Oh, okay. Yes, I caught my limit and probably total probably, I don't know, 20 more.
Really?
Something like that. Yeah. All right, y'all. All right. Whew. Well, y'all, this might wind up part 3. Rain done set in. Unless my little girl wants to go in the rain or something whenever they get back with all this shopping and stuff they doing. We're gonna go back to the house, put these fish up. We got us a limit. I don't know how many we caught. I'm guessing 20 or better, something like that. But anyway, had an awesome morning. Gonna go back to the house over here and fix me a sandwich and sit back and wait on the women folk to get back. But like I said, if my daughter decides to go, we might go this afternoon. I don't know, it's up to her. I'm about done, I ain't gonna lie. I love fishing for these trout, it's fun. I'm ready to get back home to my slabs, man. Yes sir, that's what I'm ready to do. Go out there and catch me some of them slabs. Anyway, still a good day. So I might see y'all again this afternoon, maybe not. If I don't, hope everybody has a blessed day. And I'll see y'all on the water.